I've got Atif here with me with his lovely, lovely new bride. Looking stunning. How are you guys?
Doing great. So far so good. Yeah.
Who are you wearing? You're looking lovely.
I'm wearing Manish Malhotra.
Fantastic. Atif, you are the star tonight. क्या हम expect करें? कुछ surprises हैं?
कोशिश की है to revive the music because everyone has left the music and they want to become an actor. For me, music is more important.
You have been attending awards all over the world. India के, इधर के. कहीं से कोई कमी है हमारे अंदर कि हम उसी लेवल पे?
कमी पेशी तो हर जगह ही होती है. उनके पास भी कमी पेशी जरूर होती है. लेकिन हर साल बेहतर से बेहतर होना जो है, I think is very important.
This is the first time that you're attending Lux with your husband. What are you expecting? He's performing today as well.
I'll expect that he'll do his best and he'll give his best.
Best of luck for tonight. We're really looking forward to you. Thank you.
शर्मा के दो साए हैं जो मुंह फेर ले हमसे यहाँ मोले नु मौला ना मारे ते